I again Christmasy. I just want to show people like we have like lightning bugs. They'll come out like every summer. I want to see if you can all see them. I mean, a couple of years we will not have any lightning bugs, but this year there's like a lot of lightning bugs. I don't know if you all see them. It's still kind of light out, but I'll just film quietly and see if we can get some. They kind of look like little fireworks going off. And when I was little with my neighbors that used to live in that house, we would always come out every summer, catch lightning bugs, put them in the car with holes in them, with glass, and we would try to keep them alive overnight. And then we'll let them go again in the morning, and then do it all over again the next night. It's always fun doing that. I love catching lightning bugs. We just had one snuck into the house last night, but we brought him back out. But he was flashing like crazy, trying to find others, but he got out okay. Alright, well that's it for now. Alright, check it over. Alright, let me out.